What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at Pyro Putty. See if this stuff really works. Let's get into it. Here's the instructions. Really easy, but we're going to actually do it in action here. So let's pull it out of the box here. Comes in this handy dandy little tin. You're gonna need a stick, that's why I have this stick in my hand. Let's open it up. Look at the Pyro Putty. Smell it? Smells like just regular old Tiki Torch. You ever use Tiki Torches? Smells like that a little bit. So let's pull a little piece of this out here. It's very sticky and gooey. Oh wow, look at that. They say to spread it apart, make it look fibrous. You gotta grab a pretty good chunk, they're saying, so I'm gonna grab a little bit more. Wow, it's very gooey. It's like a mix of slimy, silly putty, and yeah, mostly silly putty. Okay, so rip apart, exposing the fibers. I'm gonna grab a little bit more, actually. I'm gonna grab a real healthy chunk of this stuff. I wanna see how it really works. All right. So stick the putty on this here stick. Let's see here. Okay. What we're gonna do is go over here to this fire pit. Be safe here, and let's see how that works. Looks like you gotta really get those fibers exposed if you really want this stuff to work. Big key here is the fibrous. There we go. So the key is getting it fibrous. Yeah, so as you can see over here, we got our nice little fire burning real strong. There's wind and everything, and it's still going because of that putty. Now what we're gonna do is take a little bit of water and actually get this wet here. See, because it claims to be waterproof, so it still works even with water around. So you can see I've got a nice soaked little log here, a little stick. Gotta make sure it's real fibrous, that's the key. You gotta get those fibers exposed. So let's see if we can light this bad boy on fire and get some action. So it's wet. Well, the stick is wet. Log, wet putty here. Is it gonna stick and go? I don't know. Summer blend here, different color. Let's see how this stuff works here. Get a nice chunk. Oh, look at all that. Look at all that. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this episode of the Pyro Putty here. Let us know what you guys think of Pyro Putty, and if you guys would like us to review any other cool products that are new to the market. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to put out your fires when you leave your campground.